Hi students, today in class we are going to refer 1 mark and 2 mark questions of sociology on reduced syllabus basis. Let's start our class. The first question is, who introduced Christianity to India? The answer is Saint Thomas and Saint Bartholomew. Which year is considered as the demographic divide in India? The answer is 1921. Who advocated the policy of tribal Panchashila? Jawaharlal Nehru. Where is the Lajit headquarters located? The answer is Mumbai. Who edited the book Social Movement? The answer is M.S. Rao. The next question is, who is the father of Green Revolution in India? The answer is Swaminathan. Expand DSS. Dalit Sangharsh Samiti. Who popularized the term Harijan? Mahatma Gandhi. What is national integration? National integration refers to national unity and a sense of belonging to the nation. Which article of Indian Constitution abolished untouchability? The answer is Article 17. Who wrote the book Caste and Race in India? The answer is G.S. Gurre. The next question is, mention any two women's organization in independent India. The answer is Vimochana, Stree Shakti Sangharsha. Mention any two rural development programs. The answer is Green Revolution, Manrega, IRDP Integrated Rural Development Program, and CDP means Community Development Program, Land Reforms. How is the term demography derived? The term demography is derived from two Greek words. Demos means people, graphan means describe, implying the, which whole implying the mean, it means the description of people. What is women empowerment? Women empowerment means the act of empowering women to give them the power or authority. The next question is, who is Karnavan? Karnavan means who means a senior male member of Tarwad family, which is one of the type of matriarchal joint family where the mother is, or the female is the head of the family. The next question is, state any one characteristics of village community. Village community characteristics means important of primary relationship and small in size, informal social control. The next question is, mention any two Dravidian languages. The answer is Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam. You have to write any two. Mention any two advantages of joint family. Production of members, economic advantages, provide recreation. Name the two backward class committees of Karnataka. Remember backward class committees: Naganna Gowda Commission, Chennappa Reddy Commission, LG Havnur Commission, Venkata Swamy Commission. You have to write any two. Mention any two reasons of Malaprabha agitation. The answer is the issue of price stability, the levy issue, the role of bureaucracy. You have to write any one. The next question is, what is gender discrimination? Gender discrimination is the discrimination against people based on their gender. Who is Kartha? The head of the joint family is called Kartha. Mention any one racial group in India. Of course, it was Negroes, and there are so many that mentioned in textbook, like Astroloid and Mongolites, Mediterraneans. You have to write any one. Mention any one ancient name of India. Ancient name of India is Bharatakanda. Which district of Karnataka has the lowest sex ratio according to 2011 census? The answer is Bangalore. Who introduced the term scheduled caste? The answer is Simon Commission. The next question is, mention any two objectives of Sri Narayana Guru Dharma Paripalan Yogam. The answer is the two main objectives of SNDP, encouraging education by starting educational institutions and work for the upliftment of Viswas. Mention any two functions of Grama Panchayati. The functions of Grama Panchayati are like this: provision of water supply, maintenance minor irrigation works, school buildings, construction of school buildings, and construction of wells and tanks, promotion for agriculture and animal husbandry. Mention any two dominant castes of Karnataka. The answer is Lingayat Commission. The answer is Lingayat and Vakaligas. The next question is, which are the two committees appointed to study agrarian issues in Karnataka? Means agricultural problems. It means the answer is Dwarkanath Committee and G.K. Viresh Committee. Name any two legislations which influence of joint family. The answer is Right to Property Act, Civil Marriage Act, Widow Remarriage Act of 1856. Mention any two objectives of Sri Shakti program. The objectives of Sri Shakti program is aid in the economic development of women of rural and build self-reliance and creating financial stability. The next question is, mention any two tribes of Southern zone. The answer is Kadu Kuruba, Akki Pikki, Soligas, and Kota, Todas. There are so many you have to write which you remember. So these are the questions carrying 1 mark and 2 mark based on the reduced syllabus. Hope you understand. Thanks for listening.